Hello everyone, this is Petko Aleksandrov and I continue recording with a few more entries that I had, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it's been a great setup to buy some more. So I was recording right after here, right after the Bitcoin failed twice at these levels where we have a very strong resistance back from 2017, and indeed the price fails to go above these levels. However, I have a few setups right here. I have a failure. Okay, this one failed to take this low, and I had my counter trend line here. It's very aggressive. If I zoom it, you will see aggressive counter trend line going through these tops right here, and we have this low failing to take this low. Okay, the lowest point where the Bitcoin reached until the moment. And then what we had, I had the opportunity to draw another counter trend right here, failure of the low again, and then one more counter trend line right here. So I took these opportunities because this was impulsive break. Honestly, I had the failure, I had the setup, then I had the chance to draw a few more counter trend lines, and I had one more here honestly, but I didn't see the failure. Okay, you see that this low is lower than that one. Okay, so it didn't work with this counter trend line. And then I had one counter trend line, a more aggressive one, and a third more aggressive one where I have the failure of the recent low. Okay, so these are like 4 entries which I have used, and I have bought Stellar and I have bought Ripple again on a better price. So if you remember, I have sold it at 105, I have bought it at 1. And then I have bought one of the top gainers, new Cypher, which brought me great profit. Alright, so if I just go through Coinbase quickly, here it is. It's a new listed cryptocurrency on Coinbase, and it did some great profit, and now it fell back. But however, as I showed already, with the DNT, the Civic, these new listed cryptocurrencies, they do some fantastic profits after they have been listed on Coinbase, and then I just take quick profits. That's it. Okay, so the new Cypher brought me about 33%, I think. I will show you a little bit later. I have bought it right after these highs were reached, so I think it was somewhere here. Okay, and that I took the profits a little bit later. I think I took the profit at 0.51. Okay, so almost on the top, 0.51, somewhere here. I cannot put the mouse even. I think it was actually after the price started to decline, 51, somewhere here. Okay, I bought it right here and I took the profit somewhere over here. Just a quick top gainer on Coinbase, and I took the opportunity there. Okay, so this is the current setup that I have. You see that it's really interesting what will happen, because the price failed to reach the 20,000 and it pulled back aggressively. This is why I told you I sold some of the Ripple to lower the risk if the price continues lower. So I have now kind of triangle, or one more time, this could be called a flag, but the difference this time is that the pole coming from under, it's not really on new highs because the price was already at these highs. Okay, so it's a little bit different. It's just more of a sideways this time, and it's not just going upwards as it was before November. We'll see how it goes. I will keep you updated with my setup all the time. If you have questions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video. Cheers guys, safe investing. Bye.